today's video I'm going to show you how to do copy, print and scan with your HP Envoy 6055E printer. To do a copy, we simply open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards on this side, and you will see there are two buttons here. That the color button is for color copy and this white button is for the black copy. So we can click on this one and it also gives the number here. Now wait for the printer to print. So it's quite fast in printing. To do a printing and scanning, we need to connect this printer with any device like laptop or mobile, and we can use it through the HP Smart app. So I have an Android phone here. Let's start with the printing. Click on the print document or select any document or any file you have for the printing and open this file. Click on the print button. Here you can select the pages you want to print, or you want to do the color or black, and then click on the print button. It will start the printing. Let's do the scanning. To do a scan, we have to go back again. You will see there is a printer scan option. Click on it. Open the top scanner lid and place a page here facing downwards for the scanning, and then click on the scan icon. Overall, it's a very good printer for home or office use. You can use it for wireless printing and scanning. If you want to do multiple scannings, you can do that, but you have to place the pages or you have to add the pages manually. So this way we can do the scan as well. Thanks for watching.